Would you buy a stock that just jumped almost 10% in a single day? Your gut might say yes, but the smart move is to look somewhere else first. Let me show you where. Today, 12th December, was a great day. The market was up, led by two stars. Benso Oil Palm Plantation up 9.65% to GHS 51. GLD Gold up 9.44% to GHS 492.31. That's huge for one day. But here's the secret. The most important number for an investor is not the daily change. Total Energies dipped a tiny 0.02%, but check its YTD, plus 207.62%. It has more than tripled in value this year. One bad day means nothing against that trend. This teaches us to zoom out. Chasing a stock because it had one fantastic day is like picking a football team based on one great play. You need to see the whole season. Cal Bank is the perfect example. It was the most traded stock, with 12 million shares moving. Its price was up a solid 4.44% today, but its YTD is plus 34.29%. That's strong, steady growth that smart money is backing with high volume. The real headline: the GSE Financial Index hit a 90.87% YTD return. That means bank stocks as a group have nearly doubled in value this year. That's a powerful long-term trend. Key factors to note as a great investor: ignore the daily noise of ups and downs. Focus on the long-term signal shown by the YTD. When a stock goes up on high volume, like Cal, it means a lot of investors agree it's valuable. That's more meaningful than a spike on low volume. This is not financial advice. This is an educational look at a market report. The stocks mentioned are not recommendations. What matters to you the most when you look at the stock market? Comment in the section below. Do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe for more investment tips from the nerds.